Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be talking about skincare. Yay, who is excited? So we are going to be talking about natural skincare products. This right here is the bomb. Don't worry, I'll explain what is in here already. My grandma used to do this, and I have been doing it lately because if you're on my Instagram, I've shown you I had a problem with my nose area, but it's cleared up now, where I had a lot of breakouts on my nose region, and I think somewhere around here and here. So now it's cleared up. This is what I've been using religiously. There are three things here I've already, because you have to it's quite thick. You have to see. So this is turmeric, a little bit of turmeric, and yogurt, a little bit of yogurt, and a natural exfoliant, which is a little bit of sugar. What I do is I add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, just a little bit, please, a little bit, almost not noticeable, because you don't want to put too much. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you could try a little bit of lemon juice, like squeeze just a teeny. I'm gonna try my best to put so little, because if it's too much, it's going to be too harsh on your face. Please, it's a bit, yeah, just the right amount, just a drop, in fact. You put an oil to tie everything up. I usually go for this moringa oil by BioBlend. So I want to put 2 pumps. Yeah, you're going to put a little bit. This will kind of a hand, so now it's easy to move. Everything is not as thick anymore. You can play around with it. Yes. So this is what it looks like. I bet it's still the same color and everything. Okay, so we're going to start applying. I'm looking here because that's where my mirror is. And I could look at the viewfinder itself too. So you want to use yogurt, preferably Greek yogurt, turmeric, a little bit of sugar, oil, any oil that you have. I usually use the moringa oil, and also you use a little bit of apple cider vinegar. It's seasoned. Then you make this mixture. So I allow my skin to air dry because I don't use anything else to dry it off after I do this usually. So my nose has gotten a lot better. It has cleared out. You can see I'm not having breakouts here or here. So alhamdulillah. I mean, if you're on my Instagram, you know how I was really complaining about it and how bad it was. So yeah, I used to do it twice a week. Now I do it maybe once a week. That's just sometimes twice a week then, but I'm not as consistently doing it twice a week as I used to when I had the acne. So but for this, you don't want to leave it, you don't want it to stay on your face for too long. 3 minutes if you have a sensitive skin, please. 5 to 7 minutes if your skin isn't as sensitive. Please adhere to the time. Also, you don't have to allow it to dry off. You can use a cloth to take it out first. Oh, just use water. I usually just use water to take it out. Be consistent with it. Twice a week. I don't know. I haven't done it more than twice a week. So twice a week, and everything should be fine. So now, I would put on a light moisturizer. Let me show you. So you know my face wash. You can use any face wash that you like. I usually use the simple face wash. Let me get it. So I usually use this face wash because it's so mild, refreshing, and it's a very mild face wash. So I would implore that you use a mild face wash to wash your face, not something that is too chemically, if that is a thing. It is not. Don't mind me. So to moisturize, I usually use the BioBlend moringa oil. I was trying my best to stay away from chemical products, like products that are not natural products. So I just use this oil because I know their oil is it's purely organic. I don't use my regular moisturizer for this. So And of course, to seal the deal, check it. Even though they're not paying, and you're done. If you finish all of this, the air that you're going to be feeling in your skin is just, oh my god. So basically, you're welcome. I will be expecting my money because I just helped your life. So I'll be expecting my money, my monies in my account. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.